was a huge partner for this house. They donated a lot of wonderful and innovative items, especially our cold plunge right here in this wellness center. One of the biggest challenges was actually trying to incorporate it in a residential home. To our knowledge, there's very few, or this might be the only one that actually exists in a residential home. So the challenge was enormous for us to make it look polished and fit perfectly in the wellness center. Coordinating and getting these wellness products installed was a really big challenge. From the electrical to making sure that we have the right breaker size and making sure that everything works in a perfect manner for Kohler and for our client, but also trying to get it fit and make it seamlessly disappear inside of these walls. Wellness centers should be the future of high-end building homes. For instance, long day at work, you want to come home, you got your cold plunge here, set at 39 degrees. You can do your integrated phone there to help you breathe. After that, you can go into your sauna, warm up a little bit. It's just pure relaxation to make it a true wellness center, and it's thanks to Kohler. This is all about living better, not just living bigger.